they'll be calling you a radical, so we'll post the hard number. So the season's pretty well over. I'll even pat them 1,000. What'll trickle in. So we're going to come in between 67 and 68,000 on the Columbia for the Steelhead for the year. The 10 years ago, 826,000. Hard evidence. We don't catch dead tide pools. Kevin Blanche does. We don't even catch dead humans in bone marrow transplant. Oh, Kevin Blanche does. It'll be 10 years. I was given 2 months to live. Just in 10 days. So it was 9 years ago today I shot that incredible video on the jetty. It was a perfect historical. So 10 years, the lakes collapsed. I'll post that video. That was 9 years ago today. Lake at normal levels. No birds. It's duck hunting and goose hunting on the Great Flyway. I've seen one flock. One flock across this flyway right here. So this hard number is important because, you know, people can talk all they want. You know, opinions mean shit. Mystified, baffled, stump means nothing. This is the hard number. What Kevin Blanche does, it's not hypothesis anymore. Everything that I said, gray salt ice is going to go dry. We're going to get a heat bubble over the western United States. That's how science works. That's how it works. You hypothesize the knowledge, you do the field work, and then you defend your work. And if you got it right, it has nothing to do with wrong or right. If you got it right, it is what it is. It's the knowledge. So, another oil spill in Orange County. Nightmare. Had a lot of mosquitoes out lately for the first time in a while. Attracted by the tomato soup. So, another one. It's the ecology. So for you people down there in Orange County, San Diego County, District 49, how nice is they invented Darrell Isis. He moved in. San Diego County, Kevin Blanche, Duncan Hunter's rabbit, took Duncan Hunter's seat. Pardon me, Trump pardoned him. I'm Duncan Hunter's rabbit. And so, Mike Levin with Markley in Massachusetts has got a new bill. Carlsbad media is reporting it as to give states more rights and lenience on how to deal with waste. I don't think so. So, it's prioritizing the waste. Now, remember, San Onofre, it's got to be first, which I think it's probably already being moved. Pilgrim, you know, Massachusetts. You know, I know all you care about is Patriots, Red Sox. Bottom of the ninth, I see the Yankees got in. But Pilgrim's waste. That's what this bill's about. Read it before you write about it. You know, I'll read it tomorrow and I'll get back to you on it. I mean, there's a lot happening. I understand everybody's stressed out, COVID, trying to survive. I get that. I do get that. We live in a freaking tough situation. You know, the whole freak show. God, we actually got mosquitoes. What the? God, there's a first in 10 years. I'll post the hard number, I mean, because it matters. Oh boy, does it matter. The other river, that's best case scenario. Why use the Columbia? Because we count it. That's in front of the dam. Because the numbers are even worse on the Rogue. They're even worse on the chutes. On the J. Smith, no dams. But it's 2.5 miles wide, 400 tributaries. The Fraser's even worse. But we have that hard data. I mean, you can run regression now. We have the hard data. It's unarguable. And then the Chinook, we're going to come in at about 440, 450,000 for the year, maybe 60. And 5 years ago, we had 2.7 million. They go to sea for 5 years. It's unarguable, hard proof. Boy, I haven't seen any mosquitoes like this in a while. Tomato soup, huh? I like it. So, postseason starts this week. Giants clinched. How about the Dodgers win 105 games and don't win their division? Isn't that something else? Oh, that's what they're after, all these tomato soup cans here. No wonder there's a bunch of mosquitoes. Oh. Dodgers have a chance again this year. The Devil Rays, Kevin Cash probably pulled somebody out on a computer, on a 2-hitter. That's probably what happened. God, foul him off, foul him off, foul him off. I don't know. Knock the cover off that one. That's why they're here, all the tomato soup cans. Oh, out of here. Can of corn. Mislabeled can of corn. That was no can of corn. That was a good old-fashioned worm burner. No geese. No geese. Ah, there's your last duck. I'll read through the bill, but I know Levin, I work with him. He's got priority number 1 right. He used to work here with, our accomplished junior congressman, but a bankrupt dude from Brooklyn, been bankrupt about 20 times, has nothing to do with Utah beating because why he's on Fox News. Burgess Owens, oh my God. Whoa, what's he accomplished in the year he's been in? 0.0. Ben McAdams, who has worked with Levin, most accomplished congressman we've had in probably 40, 50 years. He loses to Fox News. There you have it. You're going to get a green flash? God, look how purple it is tonight. Huh. The nuclear cores are melting. That's Promontory Point right there. It's almost right to the point. That's Fremont Island right there. October the 3rd. Not one migratory bird. I've seen one flock yesterday morning. That's it. God, we got some hungry mosquitoes for a change. Core is melting, it's melting, it's melting into the Pacific. Hell of a way to boil a planet. Nuclear energy, clean. Oh my God. So that's the numbers. It's a big deal. It's a really big deal. It's the ecology, stupid. 10 years Steelhead number on the Columbia in front of the dams. 826,000 to 68,000. Chinook salmon in 5 years. They go to sea for 5 years. They go to sea for 1. $2.7 million to 450,000. It's the ecology, stupid.